seeds versus starts. We went ahead and put seeds in the containers just about the same time we put the seeds in the garden. These are coming along pretty well. They've got their first true leaves. This is that giant banana squash, and this is a lemon cucumbers. I'm gonna go ahead and plant these near where we planted the seeds. This ought to be fun. Come on, let's plant. This is the giant yellow squash we planted from seed. Let's just go over here a little bit and we'll plant this other one. Now I know it's probably way too close. And we got worms. Thank you. And so far, the seeds that we planted in the ground seem to be a little bigger than what I got coming up in the container. This is that newest part of the garden, so this soil isn't quite as good as the rest of the soil. But we're going to see what we're going to get. It's got a lot of roots on it. Just loosen those up just a little bit. This ought to be a pretty good little test. Backfill in around it. Get a little mulch going. So right here, we've got the seeds that have come up, and we've got this start. We'll see which one grows better. Let's go ahead and put these cucumbers in the ground. Well, I was going to put these out here, but this just barely got its second true leaf coming on. These are getting ready to start climbing this trellis. Although we do have another trellis. Let's go over here. So I think this would be a perfect spot. We can still see whether or not these are going to catch up with those that we put in the ground. These are good and ready to go in. I'll make that hole a little bigger. Well, there you go. We'll see which grows better, seeds or starts. It doesn't matter. I'm still going to start seeds, and I'm still going to seed starts. Say that 10 times. While we're out here, though, since we didn't come out here yesterday, let's go check out that blueberry bush. I was asking a question about how we grew blueberries. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Look at how many blueberries there are. But you got to see this. Our praying mantis egg case must have hatched. We got our protectors on patrol. So I was asked how we grow blueberries. I didn't put any kind of acidifier or anything weird like that into the soil. Blueberries naturally come from old growth forests. Old growth forests have a bunch of, well, it'd be similar to the wood chips down as a mulch, and leaves that fall every year. And I believe that's the environment that they like. So that's all I've done, is just put lots of wood chips around these, but that's all I've done. I haven't added any kind of chemical fertilizer of any sort. And I got a handful of ripe blueberries. Now, I could pop these all in my mouth at once. Well, I'm gonna take them up to the house. I'm gonna share them with the wife. This is too good of a haul. And I do see a strawberry or two. Let's get a few of those. Now that's a strawberry. And look at these blackberries. They're gonna be coming on pretty quick. This is amazing. I got a big old spider guarding our cauliflower. There's one beautiful little cauliflower. Let me get this other one. Try not to disturb the spider that's guarding it. Riley's right. With all the rain that we've had, not being able to keep the BT out here, the worms would have started chewing this up starting tonight. So we're gonna go ahead and clean these up and eat them. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one nice broccoli also, and this will continue to make little broccoli flowers, but that's gonna be tasty. With as much rain as we've had, it's kind of hard to keep the BT on all the brassicas. If you remember when we planted these, they grow pretty fast. Oh. You were right, Riley. We've got a turnip. I think we'll add that to dinner tonight. See if we got, oh, we got some small ones down in here. I'll let those get a little bigger. Well, let's go ahead and take this one too. That was beautiful. So we're gonna have some turnips cauliflower and broccoli for dinner tonight. And in the deep mulch, you can do this too. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.